In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchored text in TradingView. Anchored text is a handy way to attach a note directly to a specific price and time on your chart, so your comment follows that exact bar or level even when you pan, zoom, or change timeframes. It's perfect for marking earnings reactions, breakout levels, or reminders about why you took a trade. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. Once you're there, choose the market you want to analyze and open a chart. If you're browsing symbols, pick your stock or index, then switch to the full featured chart so you get access to the complete toolbar and drawing tools. Give the chart a moment to load and set your preferred time frame so you're working at a comfortable zoom level for precise placement. On the left-hand side of the chart, find the drawing toolbar. Look for the text tool, typically shown as a T icon. Click it to open the text options. You'll see different text tools available, and the one we want is anchored text. Select anchored text to tell TradingView you want your note tied to a specific point on the chart, not just floating above it. Move your cursor to the exact bar and price level you want to reference. A quick tip here, zoom in slightly if you need precision, and aim for a clear area so your note doesn't overlap crowded candles or indicators. Click once to drop the anchor. A small text box appears, letting you type your note right away. Keep the message concise and descriptive, like breakout confirmation, a gap fill target, or reaction to news. The goal is to make your future self instantly understand what you meant without rereading old analysis. After you've typed your note, it will remain pinned to that point. As you pan left or right or switch timeframes, your anchored text stays aligned with the same bar and price, which is the key advantage over regular floating labels. If you want your charts to stay clean, consider using a consistent format for all your notes, such as a short headline followed by a quick reason. You can also space notes slightly away from candles to keep the price action visible. That's all you need to place anchored text. It's a simple tool that adds a lot of clarity to your charting workflow and helps you remember the why behind your markings. Practice on a few levels you care about, and you'll quickly build a consistent, readable chart that travels with your analysis wherever you go.